G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Repro. Today we're going to do a bit of shiny cardboard hunting. I picked up these two packs of Panini 2022-23 Chronicles. I quite like the Chronicles packs because they have such a variety of different cards. It always seems like I'm getting nice stuff as opposed to the hoops, which are just the uber low base set. And at the other end of the scale is, for affordability wise, you're going through prisms, and I never feel like I get anything in prisms because you're only really getting the 4 cards per pack. But in these packs, it's 15 cards. I've hit a signature from a Chronicles pack recently. Go and check it in my other videos. If you're not currently subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and hit the sub button, and if you enjoy this video, then hit the like button at the end. But yeah, let's go through. So as I mentioned, it's possible to hit signatures in these. We're looking for the teal parallels, but ideally we are looking for these 6 dudes, and especially Paolo Banchero. Big shout out to one of the viewers, Scotty Garvin. I know he loves these card videos, so I know he'll be watching this. Chet. This gives a lot of rookie cards in these packs too. Keegan, Baldwin Jr., Jaden Hardy, Wesley, Ty Washington Jr., Roddy, that might have been a sig then. Beauchamp, Jokic, Ivy, and Keegan again. It's nothing too special there. So for Australian viewers, bought these packs from JB. They were $15 a piece, so I think that's not a bad price for just ripping open some cards on an odd afternoon. Okay, in a second pack, we got Keegan again, Jalen Williams, so that's not bad. Shai. Luca. Christie. Jovic. Jalen Williams. Malachi. Williams. Johnny Davis, and there's a Paolo. So that's a nice one. Nothing too special, but it's a good rookie card. So I'll put him aside and sleeve him. Jay Griffin and Mark Williams. So yeah, I wouldn't really get too excited about most of those cards, but just getting a Paolo, that's worth it. So, like I mentioned earlier, if you're not currently subbed, please hit the sub button. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to cover off on any of the cards. And if you enjoyed the video today, please hit the like button. Apart from that, check out my other videos and hit the notification button to let you know when I'm going to release a new video. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.